Welcome to the Football Journal, your ultimate destination for all things football. Join us for exciting match highlights, in-depth analysis, and expert opinions on the beautiful game. From the Premier League to La Liga, Champions League to World Cup, we've got you covered. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest football news, updates, and videos.
Maresca. The club signed Misha Mudryk as a big player, and at the moment, he is not playing in the Premier League. But things change quickly in football. I hope he can do great tomorrow. He did very well against Barrow. Rafinha. One of my dreams was to hear the fans chant my name. It happened, and it was an emotional moment for me. I'm in the best moment of my career. I'm happy to help Barcelona in the best way possible. Lionel Messi returns as part of Argentina's squad for the upcoming games after the injury. For the first time, Angel Di Maria out of the squad as he retired from international football. Szczesny. I'm so proud to be at Barcelona and I'm ready. Lewandowski was the first person to call me. It took some convincing. At the start I wasn't sure I was ready, but my friends and family told me, if you don't accept Barcelona, you're very stupid. James Maddison. Mikey Moore. I have to sometimes pinch myself and remember how young he is. He's very powerful and only going to get stronger as his body grows. He's a great kid, a really well-mannered, polite young man, and that's a credit to his parents. Nico Paz has been called up by Lionel Scaloni as part of Argentina's squad for the upcoming games. Paz, doing fantastic at Como in Serie A as Real Madrid sold him on permanent transfer, but Real have buyback clause and 50% sell-on clause as part of the deal. Ousmane Dembele, expected to return into PSG group already against OGC Nice on Sunday. Dembele apologized to Luis Enrique as the Spanish manager wanted and requested. The situation is fully expected to return to normality shortly. Rafinha rejected big money from Saudi last summer to stay at Barcelona. I have a contract with Barcelona and my intention is to fulfill it. I'm happy and I know what I can offer. I'm very proud to wear Barcelona's captain's armband. It's an honor. Pep Guardiola. The way Rico Lewis is playing, there are no words. He does everything, and he does everything very well. Hansi Flick. Trust me, I just can't wait for Gavi to come back. I can see the amazing quality he has in training. We wait for him. Ten Hag. I've proven in my career that always I will win. The last 6 years I have 8 trophies. We have a good potential on players, so once it's embedded we will go and we will drive. And I'm sure we will achieve the targets we have set for this season. Trophies. Bukayo Saka with Robert Pires. Friends again. Nice one after Pires said in May that Saka still lacks a certain consistency and experience. I prefer Jeremy Doku. Ten Hag. For a long period, we are in transition at Man United. We had to replace some older players and bring new players in. Our choice was to bring young players in, and you know that takes time to improve and get what we want from them. AS Roma director Gisalfi. We're not discussing new deal for Paulo Dybala at this stage. We will extend Miles Weiler's contract soon as he deserves. We're also in talks with Basili over fresh terms. Abdul Hamid has quality. We trust him. Arteta. Kai Havertz is fantastic. He's smart and also powerful. How he occupies the spaces, the way he glides everything together. Now when he's around the box and you have the feeling he's going to score a goal. Flick reveals, I knew Rafinha before I came, and I know how good he is. He has a lot of self-confidence right now. You can tell that he feels important for the team. This is why I like players like Rafinha. Karim Adeyemi became tonight the first German player to score 10 UEFA Champions League goals before the age of 23. Man of the match, of course. Bukayo Saka tells CBS, when I was speaking with the boys in the team talk before the game, I told them, we have to make a big statement tonight. We haven't shown our full quality in Europe against big opponents. Tonight, yes. But we need to do that also away now. Jules Kounde has now played plus 1,000 minutes this season, and it's beginning of October. 900 minutes on 900 available with Barcelona plus more minutes with French national team. Ilkay Gundogan's first goal back at Man City came on the same night that he captained them for the first time since the Champions League final. Cesare Casadei. I'm not thinking to leave Chelsea in January. Not now. It was my decision to stay, and not go out on loan. After speaking to Maresca, I never had plans to leave permanently. I always wanted to play for Chelsea, one of the biggest teams in the world. Ten Hag on the players' responsibility. It's shared responsibility. That's my job. I have to make them play. I have to teach them how they sort the problem. We are there together, and we have to fight together to get out of this. Arteta, Mikel Merino was really good. He was ready despite having only one training session with us. He was buzzing to have his chance to start this new chapter, and he's done really well against PS. Girona are the first side in the history of the Champions League to score an own goal in each of their first 2 games in the competition. Arne Slot has introduced a keen focus on detail at Liverpool. Every day at training feels like a learning session with regular group and one-on-one meetings. Newcastle United will be left with a bill of around £1 billion if they press ahead with plans to redevelop St. James Park and increase capacity beyond 60,000. Thanks for watching.